When disaster strikes, we deliver solutions. McKinley is specializing in property damage restoration, fire damage, water damage, hail and wind damage, ice and snowstorm damage, vandalism damage, smoke odor removal and floodwater damage cleanup, and mold remediation. Our focus is simple: restoring your home or business to its original pre-loss condition. Experienced in all project sizes, we provide services for single-family homes, apartment complexes, as well as retail and commercial properties. Our 24/7 emergency service is at your disposal whenever you're dealing with damage restoration in Chicagoland. Fully licensed, bonded, and insured, A+ rated by Better Business Bureau. McKinley is a licensed general contractor, unlimited roofing contractor specializing in all types of roofs. We are accredited by IICRC. We offer restoration, board-up, cleanup, repair, installation, and reconstruction for any property damage. We utilize the most advanced, leading-edge technology and equipment to get the job done right, and your home or business restored as quickly as possible. Your project is handled by one of our expert and experienced project managers that work closely with you throughout the entire process. Our team includes public adjusters, architects, lawyers, interior designers, structural engineers, and other experts. If you were victim of storm damage, including wind, hail, rain, snow, fire, or ice, you may likely be qualified for an insurance claim. We communicate every step of the damage restoration process. We aspire to keep you fully in the loop. McKinley will communicate with your insurance company and do so on your behalf, providing them with photos, measurements, and all necessary details. We will assess the extent of the damages and ensure your claim is covered by the insurance. Leave the red tape to us, and we will document your claim accurately. McKinley, faster to any disaster. We respond immediately 24/7, and when you call us, the phone is answered around the clock by the McKinley customer service representative, even on weekends and holidays. Visit www.mckinleycompany.com or call 888-615-5150 to learn more. McKinley, building the future, restoring the past.